Hi, Daria Jackson Ligonier here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how I'm making $300. I'm getting $300 payments over and over and over again. And the beauty of this system that I'm going to share with you is not only me that's winning, it's our entire team. So what I'm going to do is first, before I show you the system that I'm using, I'm going to head over to the group so you can see the proof. So let me share my screen, and the name of the company is called the Infinity Processing System. And as you can see, it's a bunch of us just winning it and doing well in this thing. So this is me right here. I received my $300 when I was on vacation, which is a beautiful thing. Imagine being on vacation and then a $300 commission just pops up out of nowhere. Yeah, that's what happened to me. It's really, really, really cool. So then you have some others here as well. So you can see my post here. Let me see if it'll pop up. My computer is very, very slow. Let's see if it'll pop up. All right, it's taking a few minutes. All right, let me see if I can just go back, because it is definitely acting up. All right, so we have quite a few members that have gotten started with us. We have some other members that have gotten $300 as well. I would click on the post, but for some reason it's just not going through, probably because I'm sharing my screen. But as you can see, we have a lot of members here that are doing it. They're starting on the level that works for them. There's 3 levels. We have the $300 level, we have the $150 level, and the $50 level. So people are starting where they can start. And as you can see, you see a lot of smiling faces. You see a lot of income generated in this group here. So I'm going to go on and show you what the system looks like. All right, so let me do that. So this is the website that you're going to get when you get started. And we all have this website. And what I love about it, it brands you. So when you get yours, you're going to have your name on there, just like I have my name, right? And it tells you 3 things that you need so that you can start earning 100% commission. So from the person that actually joins you, they will be sending you the money, and that way you are in total control, and then you will send them what they need to get started. So there are 3 steps for you to get started. So you're going to join at the level that fits you best, and I'll go over the levels in a few minutes. And then you're going to have these done for you ads that you'll have access to, and you post them on social media. And what's the next step? The 3rd step? Get paid. All right? So let me continue on so I can show you exactly what you will be getting at the different levels. So at the $50 level, you'll pay a one-time fee, and that's for all these levels. You'll pay a one-time fee of $25. And you will get marketing ads, you'll get the winning mindset formula, the 7-day success plan, the 6-figure closing script. You'll also have Facebook marketing strategy. 3, you'll have 30 Facebook groups that you can promote in, Craigslist marketing strategy, and then of course, you'll have a Facebook support group that you will have access to. So if you have any questions, you'll get your questions answered. We're a very connected and engaging community. So if there's any questions, someone in the group will answer your question. And also you can go back to the person that enrolled you, and that would be me. So you can come back to me and you can ask me any questions that you have. All right, so this is the $50 level. That's the $50 level. Now we're looking at the $150 level. So you get everything. However, you get YouTube Mastery. You also get Instagram Mastery. strategy. And then you also get what is called a 6-figure sales funnel. I automate this so that all I have to do is pretty much set it and forget it. I get my leads coming in, communicate with my leads through my email follow-up, and that's pretty much what I do, right? So this is the $150 level. I have the $300 level. And this is the more lucrative level because I can collect commissions on all three, right? So you get everything, plus you get an Instagram strategy, you get the 6-figure sales funnel, you get the 30 email follow-up where you get your sales on autopilot, which I absolutely love. You also get TikTok, VIP training, and you also get access to a VIP vacation voucher for getaways, discounts on hotels, and you will be able to offer them to your team as well. So that's what you get. These are the levels. So the next thing you need to do is just pretty much look at what it is that you want, and you get in the level that fits you best. So I want to show you what the system looks like. So when you come in at the pro level, it's going to say pro membership training. So I'm going to come up in here and log in just so you can see what the pro level looks like. All right, so this is the pro level, and the way this is set up is step by step. So you have your introduction set up, you have your videos here, so you know exactly what to do. So everything is step by step. With video, you'll be able to get yourself set up in no time. All you have to do is just follow the directions and you will be set up and ready to go. You can create your automated sales funnel here. You'll know what to say when people ask for information, which is really good. So you have your closing script here. And I feel that every program, there should be some kind of mindset. This is a digital educational program. So when you're finished with this, you are branding yourself and you're putting yourself out there as an influencer. Okay, so you have the art of influence. You have 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads. All right. Also, it tells you how to upgrade. You have a 7-day action plan for success. And I'm going to repeat that. A 7-day action plan for success. Facebook Mastery, Craigslist, everything is here. So all you have to do is just click on it, go through the process, and start getting paid. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. So what you need to do now is just click the link below this video in the description so that you can get started, and I'll see you on the inside. Have an amazing day.